Good morning everybody. I am excited today because it's Wednesday and I have a day out of the office and I am exploring the Gannochy houses on Gannochy Estate. These two cottages have been with us for ages, and in fact the owner has another lodge called Corridon Lodge and they've been letting with us for about 16 years now, so I'm really delighted to come and meet her and come and see the cottages. So I'm walking down the estate drive right now. It's beautiful and green, the sun is out. I'm here with Daniel, our photographer, who's flying his drone somewhere. So I thought I would take you around the cottages and give you a little bit of an insight into them themselves. So enjoy. So Littlest Gannochy is just the small cottage off the side of the main cottage called Little Gannochy. So here's Little Gannochy and we're going to go in now. So we come into a nice porch here. So I'm going to take off my boots as to not mess up the carpets. There we go. So as we come in here, there's the front hall with the staircase up to the first floor. It's a pretty quirky layout here. It's actually quite open, like all the rooms are their own, but it feels quite open plan in a way. So we've got our utility room here. And you've got your washing machine, a nice deep sink, and all your utility area here. And here is the living room. So it's just a lovely cozy room. Two nice big settees. There's lots of space, and the living room opens onto the dining room here. So you've got a nice big table for everybody to enjoy their meal. So do you see what I mean about the kind of open plan? Like all the rooms are nicely linked up, so even if you're in a different room in the house, you'll feel like you're all together. So this cottage has a really nice, like, homely feel. It's fully equipped with everything you could need. I know I always take you into the plates cupboards, but I know you all love them. So you've got cooking pots, plates, and Chris, the owner's really thought of all the little details. So we've got your sugar, tea and coffee pots, matching kettle, toaster, and even this really cool retro radio. And then you go through to the drawing room. So this is a really cute room actually. I'm just going to take a seat down here for a minute. Ooh, yeah, that's nice and comfy. Check out this cute pillow. It's like got Indian elephants on it. So I've now found myself in the study. What I love about going around all of these different holiday houses is everybody, like every owner has their own way of decorating, and every owner's brought in something from like somewhere they've been or something that's like interesting and special to them. So I guess if mum or dad has to do some work during their holiday, which hopefully they don't, there's a nice place for them to come and do that. So we'll continue on out and into the lovely conservatory. Everybody loves a sunroom, and this one is beautiful. It's so bright and spacious, so you could come in here and enjoy a nice coffee with a magazine or the newspaper, or even play like a board game on the floor. And it's perfect room for those sunny days where it's maybe a little bit too cold to sit out all day, but you don't want to be inside either, so it's nice, bright and spacious. And as I said before, Little Gannochy is actually joint on to Littlest Gannochy, and as I said, I will take you around properly, but that section there is Littlest Gannochy. And I'm going to take you upstairs now. Right, up the stairs we go, and come to this landing. So let's start over here. So the bedroom on the left, it's a beautiful big double bed. Here we go. And check out this view. There's a nice pond there, a lovely big lawn, and then that's the front section. And down there you'll see some garden furniture, so you can have a nice meal outside and enjoy the sun there. This double bedroom is in fact an ensuite, so as you can see you've got a nice tall standing shower there. And we'll continue out of this bedroom and across the landing into the next double bedroom. Which is also an ensuite. So really great for couples. You could 3 couples or a family. This ensuite also has a standing shower, and by the looks of it there are power showers as well, so you can ensure a nice strong jet of water to clean away the day. So there is a bathroom here. So this is actually the family bathroom, so you've got the bath with the shower as well. Beautiful tiling, I love tiling. And we'll continue on to the third double bedroom here, which I believe won't be an ensuite because you've got the 2 ensuites and then the family bathroom there. Even if people aren't staying in this room, they'll be in here to use the mirrors, guys. I'm really loving Little Gannochy. I really love how the owner has put her stamp on it, like with these beautiful little flower handles. Look at those, they're so cute. And like every little detail has been thought of. So there's a nice cushion here with home on it. Beautiful rocking chair. Most importantly for me anyway, the whole place just feels so clean. Yeah, it's just really well equipped and can ensure you a really comfortable stay. So I've put my boots back on because I'm going to take you out to the garden now. So I've gone out the back way via the conservatory where I took you earlier. I've just taken a stroll down to the river for you guys because the owner said that I should really show you because it's amazing down here, and she's totally right. So when you get to the end of the drive, you come to this big lodge on the left, you go straight through the birchwood, and if you continue through you find these like marked areas which are markers to come down to the river. So I've just come down that hill, this one here. Make sure you hold onto the barriers as you come down because it's pretty steep but manageable. So you might want to wear a pair of wellies because it's quite leafy and slippy, but anyway, check out this view. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed my tour around Little Gannochy. I certainly have loved coming to see it. Little Gannochy also has Littlest Gannochy next to it, but Little Gannochy itself sleeps 6 people and the rent starts at £600 a week. So between 6 people, that's like nothing. So yeah, if you just want to check it out, find it on the website. I'm going to post up the links below this along with all of the details and the extra kind of facilities that it has, so you'll have all the information that you need. But if you have any questions, just contact us at Cottages Castles, and you can find us on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. So any questions, just ask, or you can comment below this YouTube video. But this is Little Gannochy, and I hope you have enjoyed the tour. So I will see you soon. Bye!